Hi, my name's Victoria. Doing my week 6 progression. Um, let's see. I can kind of go through all of this. Here we are, week 6. So this week was a little bit frustrating, but I'm glad I did what I did. So this week I feel like I took 2 steps back, 1 step forward. But I decided to abandon all my work on my project and I started over from scratch. This was a big decision to make, but I feel like in the end it really helped me better understand the code and it really helped me fix a lot of the kinks I was having. So on my last project, um, for some reason I wasn't able to get my player to crouch and I couldn't get him to jog. So I was really happy that I started over with that. So as far as the issues go, let's see. So as far as the issues go, like I said, I started over, so I didn't run into too many there. I actually it better help me understand everything. But I did kind of start to um, play around with the mapping of everything, and I was having some troubles, but I have some really good resources to help me create a functional map, so I'm really excited to get working on that right away. Um, so let me pull this up, and we will play the game. So as you can see, he walks forward, he walks backward to each side. If I press my left shift key, he'll start to jog forward, backward, side to side. If I press C, and I can walk forward with it, backward, side to side. And then obviously I still have my jumping motion, which is really awesome. Um, but so this week, very similar to my progress that I had last week, but obviously I was able to get the kinks worked out, able to get a fully functional character. So I was really excited with my progress there, and I'm excited to hit the ground running on my mapping, and everything like that this week.